And when Jamie said vice with me, he never think twice. I'm at the first big artist come say, you're wicked.
Backbush TV, like and subscribe and welcome back to another video. And give thanks for life because today is a sad one because our famous artist, yeah, Daddy English, you know what I mean? Never so famous still, but him did bust in the 90s, that's and I go on with himself. Here's him drop out now. Condolence goes out to the family of, you know what I mean, Daddy English. You know what I mean? Really sad one that. But Backbush TV, like and subscribe. We see busy signal right here, so you know what I mean, I share for him birthday. So happy birthday goes out to busy signal. But Backbush TV, like and subscribe. We'll just jump in at where we say Bounty Killer, a big up, a legend, you know what I mean? A big up Ninja Man, and I make one know say, yo, Ninja Man.
And when Jamie said vice with me, he never think twice.
Bounty Killer.
I'm the first big artist come say, you're wicked youth. And when Ninja Man tells
Bojo.
me that, no.
Oh, Ninja.
Ninja Man.
Yeah. No way.
But all of the man look up to and idolize Ninja Man of the man. Alright, this one the vice new gun Ninja Man. Some know Ninja Man, you know.
General.
Come from foreign, you know. Them time they have big tape around the place, you know. And the man coming down big tape. And we want to hear Ninja Man reaction. So we go out there and say, Ninja Man, I look at you have a bad tune here, so play it. And you know, not a problem. Because enough big artists, boy, that want to give one rally around that they know I'm playing a huge tune. Man, put it in here, so when the man hear blood clot new gun, you know the man here, the mash up in tape. From this, so we extra rating him, or we see him going over, we sang him.
Yeah.
Then when Jamie said, record with him, you remember Walter PPK Saturday Night Special and Unfair. Fear. Men.
So that Backbush TV, Bounty Killer was so grateful for when Ninja Man do film, you know what I mean? Boss him this and give him the big break where him did want, you know what I mean? So Backbush TV, it's all have to do with that. That's why you see Bounty Killer always take him time out and big up the youth them, try to bust the youth them. But Backbush TV, like and subscribe, we'll jump over here so and go and watch Busy or him celebrating birthday. I think Foota will give him a one link.
Fuck Christoph.
So, Crabber, you believe, say, a wild Tamis or village farm or cassava peas?
Mountain View.
Alright, you say yes, sir. Where we there now? The road split in a few.
Talk
So you
to them.
have down on that side there, where crackhead, homeless people are trying to make it in their life. You see, up your son,
Talk to them, Foota.
up your son name walk with dog.
Book.
Circle place, police patrol million times. Remember, I hope you saw me dream to buy one house here.
Yeah.
The cheapest house up here, $1.5 million. US. You know, I feel like a joke. Cut up here and give this a bullet. What you did? Yeah, come like when the man kill hungry, the man kill hungry. What you did? Yeah, come like when the man kill hungry, the man kill hungry. The man go no further.
Whole world for Bumbo Clan must have one straight nation and one foot high.
Voila.
From in the beginning.
This is not Guatemala. It's not Curacao. This is United States of Bumbo Clan, Miami. Yeah. And I'm a brother birthday.
Straight.
And from the rich in that age,
Yeah.
I said, well, look. All me have grey hair, them and they know name so.
So, Bob.
You hear that? Yeah. So, even though I'm telling you still, but we just buy the house there. Suck to the woman. Look good. Staircase them alone at 1.5. A gold mixed with mahogany and button. Look my chandelier there. And guess what? Him no live here. So walk out the blood clot key na me. Go suck on the woman.
Backbush TV, you see it? Foota hype and busy signal have enjoyed them life, brother. Foota hype and make we know say, yo, when busy na there, him a go get the key, brother. Fuck you, them. But Backbush TV will jump out of that and jump over here, so where we see the man them run a survey and I make we know say, yo, a beer jacket a run a Jamaica and it's serious, you know. Enough of we gotta get jacket down there already, you know. So Backbush TV, like and subscribe, but we just check it out. Cause this serious.
In Jamaica. And we may have ignored it for a while and just take it for just a little nice punchline when we're giving jokes. Or a nice punchline in a song. But we have a problem, and the problem is paternity fraud, aka jacket. We got a jacket problem in Jamaica, you know? Yeah, and many of us going around thinking that the children are ours. I mean, we really check it out, they're not really ours. Hear this, Virgin, you know.
Research found that 30% of Nigerian men are fathering children that aren't theirs. Nigerian women rank second highest on paternity fraud in the whole world. And guess who ranks number one?
Who?
Jamaican women.
Jamaican
Jamaican women have a paternity fraud cuckoldry rate of 62%. You're more likely to get someone else's kid than your own if you're banging up a Jamaican girl.
Why do I laugh after we run the world though? Jamaican man. You know, say one time, Jamaican man was the envy of the world with the other man them, cause you know, the girls them used to tell, oh, with this and with that and with nice and nobody can do it like a Jamaican man. Yeah, but now we become a laughing stock right now. They say we are paternity fraud. It's a big thing, right? We got a serious problem in Jamaica.
Yeah, man, Backbush TV, it's kind of serious, man. Girl, them down at Jamaica run beer jacket. You get what I say? Man, them need to do DNA test when them baby born in our Jamaica. It's too serious, man. Girl, them too out of order, man. Nah, man. Need to get the right man to the pit in them, man. Nah, man, this gone too far, man. This gone too far, Backbush TV. But Backbush TV, like and subscribe. This is why we find so much of them things they are going. Because people have sex with people, man. And some things like these happen. You know what I mean? Because sister can come out and tell us she that have sex with her sister, man. What kind of slackness that? But Backbush TV, like and subscribe. We'll jump in it and hear what she say. Mad. And this is why we see so much jacket. And then can't get the real father. Watch it.
Story time, I fuck my sister, man. So me and my sister used to live together, and my sister did have man, but me never have no man. So you know, every time my man come over, me I hear them a fuck, me I get jealous. So one night me sit down in the living room, I watch TV and I mind my business. All me hear is, baby, yeah, this. Everything I get beat up and mash up in the room. Me I say, bumbuckler, like, no man. What a man they having a film cocky I walk with, so why good girl always I make up so much nice? No sleep for the wicked, cause me couldn't even take nap in peace because I be nice. So I say, no man, out of every other night, tonight sound very more extreme. So I turn on about the TV, so them the things say, I stop watch the TV for listening. And then I just take my time, screech upstairs, peep through the little crack of the door. When me look, I see a body I get throw back and good boy I catch them, you know. So me I say, I wonder if me throw it back so him can catch it. But downstairs and me I think about it. Tutus my ear footstep come down the stairs. When me look at him go in the kitchen for some water, and I just a pray so. One man say walk up to the boy and ask him if him can fuck with the same way. So I walk up to him, I'm say like, wait, you and my sister fuck, I want to know if you can fuck me the same way. Depend my girl, we are talk about, you know, say yeah, me and your sister there, like, we are talk about. I'm say like, I want peace, like, I need that. And they no, that now can't work. Like, go back upstairs, I just left it at that. One night, my sister gone to work, and my sister work overnight. We work the same schedule every week, so it's not like say him not know when she work. I hear the doorbell ring, and I look, it's him. And I say, you know, so my sister not there, right? She there at work, like, what could you possibly want? Yeah, I know say sister there at work, but are you my comfort? I remember where it said the other night that it around for my head, like, I always a pray, I'm seeing a look short up, I come out of the house and the same thing in your mind, in my mind. But whenever I want to say it to you because your sister did it and know that your sister not did it, it can't go on. So I say, oh, really? I grab the boy in a blood clot shirt and lock the door. And upstairs we gone in my sister bed. Say the boy got me up in the corner and he want to tear out the whole of me. Whoa. I say, guys, the man lift up my foot and put on him shoulder. And a round hood. What I tell you? Every stone of my sister did I make that night there, I make ×3.
Yeah, man, Backbush TV, that one that's serious, man. And she find it very funny too. So Backbush TV, like and subscribe. We'll just jump over in our next video where we see a little thing I go on with the King situation with Beanie Man and Mr. Vibes Cartel. Teacher, professor. Mad. We don't even really call him name at this time still. But if you know, say, this man who I speak right now, I go give we a live really upon this whole cartel situation You know what I mean? Who is king from who are not king? They must say Beenie Man are the king. And some people are say Cartel are the king. If we want to say anybody are the king, we can call Bounty Killer king as well. But we not go there so now. So Backbush TV, like and subscribe. We'll take it over to the professor. So what you have to say, professor, about this whole king situation?
For me, it's an easy decision.
It's an easy decision.
Yeah, because if you look at Cartel,
Yeah.
he has not left Jamaica like the other artists.
Yeah.
He stayed in Jamaica and his music has permeated the whole world.
Yeah.
And people know that if you look in Jamaica, he's the top. He's one of the top people there. And he hasn't even had to go to other countries to be recognised like that.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if you think about the other artists, they come UK, they go US, they go all around the world.
Yeah.
And they get big recognition. But the recognition that Vybz Kartel gets is beyond what most artists would even pay or wish for to get.
Meaning, like him have fans everywhere in the world.
There you go. Everywhere in the world.
Explain to
so
us.
imagine if Vybz Kartel then went to the US and done big performance, Europe big performance, Africa big performance. He will be a megastar.
Be a megastar, but right now the people themselves, Vybz Kartel is a megastar.
Yeah, and that's it. He's a megastar in Jamaica.
He never left Jamaica for do it.
Didn't have to leave at all. But imagine if he did leave and then he went on big tour in Europe, Africa, US. It would be like it would be on the next level. But he's smart though, because sometimes when you go to those countries, you water up his sound, innit? He didn't water up his sound. His sound's still the same.
Okay.
Because sometimes you go Europe, you have to start chatting in the European beats and lyrics. Check out some of your top Jamaican artists. When they touch Europe, they're doing the European thing, innit?
Yeah.
But I didn't do none of that. That's you have to give man the crown.
Backbush TV, like and subscribe. We just jump over here, so in our next video, where we see Elephant Man, I deal with Beenie Man away. We'll check it out. Mad.
If your bad mind till your head make like jackpot, them ask you about Yellow Man, you say you are the king. You try complete with Bob Marley, say you have the most #1. You war with Killer from Killer coming in music until now to your bad mind the man and grudge the man. I'm just show the people them how bad mind this man is. Your bad mind till your head make like jackpot. Them
Backbush TV, like and subscribe. Elephant Man deal with Beenie Man away right there, so this him wicked. But Backbush TV, like and subscribe. We'll jump over here where the fix was asked Bounty Killer a question. Where him think when him did bring up Vybz Kartel, if him did have any doubt in him, like, or if him did really want to bust him. So Backbush TV, like and subscribe. We'll check it out.
Question that I want to ask is like, if you ever feel any regret, you know, getting Kartel and giving
Bringing him?
Yeah.
No, how much regret to help get to youth?
Yeah.
Me know Adija Palmer, Vybz Kartel.
It's a mean that you somebody. Vybz Kartel, come up. Cause Vybz Kartel is the next artist that I bring on the scene. You know, see me as a man, me always take a lot to start up. Vybz Kartel. Spanish town now, real bad man. Bust 5 glass and steal bad man.
As me tell you know the alliance, if boy violate, we shot them out like appliance. See you send them come a Spanish town. We no care where them come from. Hey, we no care where you bad from, nor the ends where you shot from. Don't try to fall like the visual balanga. Yeah.
I think the question I
You see it, Backbush TV. The general never have no regrets when them bring cartel in at the front seat and know say, yo, make that youth know glory, you know. Yeah, man. So Backbush TV, like and subscribe. We just jump out tight and jump over here so we Raga Rugi I go take we out. You know what I mean? Cause I don't know Raga Rugi at the UK, Michael Jackson, the viral prince. You know what I mean? So Backbush TV, like and subscribe. Raga Rugi.
This is the one you flex your remix. Tune out the tune and hit out the hit. I need a hear and jump up and get. Because I'm looking for something like this. Viral prince. Viral prince. Viral prince. When you see him, we are happy this. Viral prince. Viral prince. Viral prince. Flex your remix, yo. This is the one you flex your remix. Tune after tune and hit after hit. I need a hear and jump up and tweet. Because I little something like this. Hey, Raga Rugi. Raga Rugi. Hey, Raga Rugi. Raga Rugi. Raga Rugi. Raga Rugi. You know me? Flex your remix. This is the one you flex your remix. Tune after tune and hit after hit. I need a hear and go. This class him down. Yo, this is the one you flex your remix. Tune after tune and hit after hit. I need a hear and jump up and tweet.
When this artist is working, yeah, your insurance is not guaranteed. Just put it in that one, yeah? Just put it in that low, yeah? You see that people, awareness, yeah? When this artist is working, yeah, your insurance is not guaranteed. Your car policy is not guaranteed. The doctor is not guaranteed. Straight from out of London, born in Jamaica, the viral prince. Is that you don't remember remix? Tune up, stop, tune up, stop, stop, I didn't hear I jump up, I didn't know that it could go yet. What we do? Viral prince. Viral prince. Viral prince. What you say? Hey, viral prince. Big up on that's Raga Rugi, yeah? Go and take the pictures now. We have to make Raga Rugi before we do it.
Why? Raga.
Style up. The national. You know this. You catch ice and gold and the riches. These are Chileans. One ring alone. You know this. How when I big show the 25th?
25th.
When they go showtime. See a scale line now. Showtime, you hear that? 25th. Good again, right up on his yard.
Sate.
Sata. Adios.
Adios.
Pussy, cause you don't get a waist one day, you already get a boom from my cocky, a brace up on the steady, you know the thing that the female Ashanti Force I represent for Kunta, Backbush TV, so me I say make sure you subscribe, like, comment, do the whole of them something there, so me I say, from page fully endorse. Kush!